Yo, it's your boy Mike Makes Money, and if you want to make money just playing Axie Infinity, just watch this video. Today I'm just gonna break down how much my expenses were, and definitely gonna show you the Axie market and my thoughts. And right now, this is my account. Definitely got to make sure I'm recording because it just cost me like $700 to do this. But yeah, definitely recording. So I'm gonna go to my inventory. I have two Axies right here. They may not have like perfect recessive genes or dominant gene. They have a pretty good dominant genes. That's what I'm hoping for. But you know what? I've been using these cards. I've been winning in arena, so I haven't made any SOP tokens just because we're in the off season. But there's a lot of people playing. This card right here has amazing genetics, especially due to the parents. So I'm just gonna breed my best Axie that comes from the children of these two with this one, and I definitely think I can make around maybe $300 at least a week from playing this game, and that could definitely pay almost rent. And I'm not even doing a lot, and I don't even pay rent yet. So every dollar I make, I'm just gonna make it back into put it back into this game. So right now, I'm going to show you what you do. So right here, got breed Axies. Oh my goodness, it took me I spent around 500 plus 300 around there, close to 800, but 500 of that was already Axies that I already had, so I don't really include it into the cost. I spent $300 just because I wanted to make sure that I had enough gas to make these transactions go, because gas fees, I spent $100 in gas, and I have about close to maybe 250. I'm just saying these random numbers because it's cryptocurrency, so prices go up and down. And I definitely did spend over $100 in gas fees, costing me a good part of the profit, but definitely I still think it's worth it. So you press let's breed, confirm this. And if you also want to make money just using the internet, check out Brave browser. But I'm just trying to teach you ways to make money, because you know what? I wish somebody taught me about this, and it's cost me about, if I'll try. I know probably don't make sense. I'm speaking very fast, but I'm trying my best just because very excited, very happy that this is happening right now. I know how it says zero breeds, but I know I can sell this one for at least $500. But now I'm gonna decrease its value just because I'm breeding it out, and I can probably sell it for at least 450. And I can probably sell this one at least for 450 once I breed them all the way out to get 3 eggs. And this probably, I can sell the eggs for maybe $400 to $500, and at lowest 1200. And I spent around 800 on this game today, but only 300 of it was money that I didn't have to invest. It was just for the gas fee. So I spent in total maybe 2,200 for this game. And now if I sell the parents, they can easily go for 400. That's $800 right there. If I make 3 babies, I can sell them for like $400 right there, and that's 800 plus 2,000. Oh, whoa. Nah, that's 800, 450 for both. All right, no, 400. Bro, I'm trying to do the math. 4 times 5. So that's $2,000 right there. And I definitely have another Axie, which right here, this is amazing. Just think about it. I can sell this one because these parents have amazing genes for at least or maybe $400, $500. I'm trying to say 400 because I know I can sell them for more, but I'm not going to try to overestimate it. So that's the reason why I'm mixing my numbers up. I'm just trying to give like a low estimate, because if the prices do crash, I don't even believe they're going to crash soon. I'm just hoping that they don't, just because I invested so much. But I definitely believe in this game, and I need to keep on doing this. My bad. A reason I had about 1900 SOP was because I already had 100, but I just got the 1800 just in case. That cost me about $300 right there. Maybe more than 300, especially including gas fees. So I'll just say 350. I always try to give conservative estimates, just because I don't want people to say that it costs like more than I was talking about. So even if prices do raise, um, I feel like I would be more profitable because I'm just trying to get some low estimates and make sure that I'm staying grounded with the amount of money I make. So guys, I just made 3 Axies and I know I can sell them for at least 400. I'll show you the market right now. I know I'm speaking a lot, but and it probably doesn't make sense. I'm just saying these random words. But next time I'm gonna try to do it in depth. I'm talking about everything is just gonna be more clear. I'm sorry, but this is just me making the video live basically. Lowest prices at least 400. The lowest actually right now that has 0 breeds is at least 400, and these have horrible stats. Look at these stats. These are aquas. They have these are aquas that have grass. They have a lot of grass. Definitely have some, bro, $450 for this one right here. And these don't even have like good stats. This one has alright stats, and this one had alright stats, especially compared to everything else. But definitely in the Axie market, they probably could be taken up really easy. Some might just be gambling on the recessive G's kicking in, which might not be bad, but you know it's not the good best because if you look at the cards that it might have, they're probably just hoping that the recessives kick in, for as a breeder standpoint. But dang, I wish it can load faster. But Ethereum has been going crazy recently, and this is why I think Axie Infinity is so profitable. But right now with SOP, it's been going down. That's the reason why I was able to get it for so cheap. And the prices kept on crashing. This is why I got into buying some Axies right now. So it does have some bad cards, but if you get another alright card, so weird, like it's so wild that it happens, but you know, these are amazing recessive genes, so definitely people are going to try to gamble with this, but I wouldn't buy it just because of the cards that it has. I have 6 Axies. It loaded in, baby. Oh, I need a refresh. My bad. Whoopsies. And I got some money in my MetaMask, so spending over $2,000. I have 4 Axie eggs. And 4 times 6 is 240. And I know I have more money in my MetaMask and my Ronin wallet right now. So I'm telling you right now, this game seems very profitable because I'm trying to give you guys the lowest estimates. And if I wanted to right now, I can definitely sell these. But you know what? I still got to make some money with them. I need to keep on using them in arena, and definitely if I get an amazing card out of one of these 3, it's gonna take 5 days. So I had to wait 5 days till they become adults, and then I can actually make more babies with them. But this one gonna take maybe around 3 days, I believe. Yeah, it's a 7, so yeah, it's gonna take 2 more days just because 11 p.m. at night I'm gonna be asleep, so I had to wake up in the morning and maybe make pop some babies out and just see if he has a good card, because the parents have amazing stats, and I can definitely probably sell it for like 450 at the lowest, because I can definitely sell it for like 500 honestly, but I always try to give low estimates just because, you know, I don't want the market to just drop and I'm losing because I expected I was gonna make more. So if I expect less and I make more, kind of makes me happy. So it's a mindset when it comes to investing. And I know that doesn't seem like very smart to get into Axie Infinity. It is a video game and it's cryptocurrency, so that could be risky. But I'm trying to do my best. I definitely think that this is gonna be the future. Making money playing video games is definitely gonna be the future. Not seeing people say that they make maybe what $1,000 a week from playing this game. That's just because they probably got in way earlier when prices for Axie was maybe like $100, and if they got a good card at the time for that was like 300, like 2 cards, $300 each. That was like 600, and it has like good genes. This is when Axie Infinity was probably super cheap. They can easily just start popping out babies and just repeating the process, probably making about 900 just making 3 babies a week off of the profit, then sell the parents. And if especially has a good genes, people are gonna try to buy it. So I know it probably didn't make a lot of sense today, but I was just trying to make this video as fast as I can, and just trying to show how much money could be made. If you have any questions, please ask me. The next time I make a video, it's gonna be way better than this one. So thank you for watching, and it's your boy Might Makes Money. Peace.